as well what's happening with respect to the weather gods, and let's take on board that discussion in further. We've got Krishna Mishra, senior scientist at IMD, now joining in. Thanks so much for taking time out. And as per the forecast, at a time when we're looking at sweltering heat, what's the latest update when it comes to the onset of monsoon and the timings over states like Kerala?
Yeah, ma'am. Good morning. So as far as monsoon is concerned, so we know that the southwest monsoon makes its onset first of all over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and then it comes over to Kerala, and then it spreads further northward over the country. So regarding Andaman and Nicobar, the monsoon is likely to onset by 19th of May over South Andaman Sea adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal and Nicobar Islands. And after that, yesterday IMD has issued the monsoon onset forecast for Kerala. So that forecast has been is to be on 31st of May. Obviously, there is a model error of plus minus 4 days inherent there. So monsoon is likely to be onset over Kerala by 31st May with a model error of plus minus 4 days. So if we look past 3 years data, so monsoon has made its onset by 2 to 3 days prior to the IMD forecast over Kerala. Now we come over to over the northern parts of the country. So the heat wave conditions, the temperature are in quite a high range over Noth-West India, and they are likely to further rise by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade at some places. And also maximum temperature rise is likely over East India as well as Central India as well as over Gujarat. So Gujarat even has reported heat wave conditions also yesterday, and the highest maximum temperature has been reported of 44 degrees centigrade over Jaisalmer of West Rajasthan. So next 5 to 7 days we can say, as we are not expecting any active western disturbance over Northwest India, although a feeble western disturbance is likely to affect, but that will be by 17th, and that will be very feeble. That will impact only western Himalayan region. So over plains, it is not going to make any significant impact. So heat wave conditions, if we see, so heat wave conditions are likely to be there over Northwest India, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, and UP, and then they are also likely to spread into parts of East India also, because temperature rise is there also likely. So that is going to be the heat wave scenario, and monsoon onset scenario we have discussed. And as far as South Peninsular India is rainfall activity is concerned, so we are seeing quite active rainfall activity over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and this rainfall activity is likely to continue during next 5 days, and today also up to 700 hours IST of today. Tamil Nadu stations of Tanjavur and Adirampatnam and one more station, they have reported 7 to 10 centimeter of rainfall over Tamil Nadu. Yeah.
Right. Mr. Mishra, a lot of talking points there, and thanks for, detailing what's happening with monsoon and, of course, the heat wave as well. But I also want to talk about the spread. I know early days yet, while the onset in Kerala is predicted to be a little earlier than usual. What about its spread then beyond Kerala?
Beyond Kerala, ma'am, as we have covered in our long-range forecast, that monsoon is likely to be normal to above normal over the country. But as far as this sectoral forecast is concerned, so that we cover only in our long-range forecast, that is 7 to 15 days forecast. So as of now, we have only forecasted about the monsoon onset over Kerala only.
I want to specifically talk to you. Right. I want to specifically talk to you also about the heat wave currently in the western parts of the country. And here in Mumbai, it's been hotter than ever with some of, very freak weather conditions like a thunderstorm and then, followed by rain and sandstorm as well, or rather dust storm, as we had on, as recent as Monday.
Yes. Yeah. there was a dust storm activity over Gujarat and also over Mumbai and adjoining areas. So that happened due to the mid-tropospheric westerlies trough that is the trough in the mid-troposphere, that is at approximate height of 5 to 7 kilometers. So that brings moisture from the Arabian Sea into the land, and already heated land then gets interacted with this. There occurs the warm and cold air mass interaction, and such type of weather activity occurs over there.
Okay, Mr. Mishra, thank you so much for taking the time out and speaking with us.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.